Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your iPhone with Apple, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your iPhone with Apple, start by ensuring your device is compatible with the latest iOS version. Check the compatibility list on Apple's official website to confirm if your iPhone model can run the new update. Next, back up your iPhone to prevent any data loss during the upgrade process. You can back up using iCloud by going to Settings, tapping your name, selecting iCloud, and choosing Backup Now. Alternatively, you can connect your iPhone to your computer and use iTunes or Finder to create a backup. Once your backup is secure, make sure your device is charged. A full charge or a connection to a power source is recommended to avoid interruptions during the upgrade. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi to ensure a stable internet connection during the download. Go to Settings, then tap General, and select Software Update to check for the latest iOS version. If an update is available, tap Download and install. You may need to enter your passcode during the installation process. Read the terms and conditions, then tap Agree to proceed. The download will begin, and you can monitor its progress. Once the download is complete, tap Install Now to start the installation process. Your iPhone will restart, and the Apple logo will appear with a progress bar indicating the installation status. After the installation, your iPhone will boot up with the new iOS version. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. Finally, check the settings to confirm that the upgrade was successful. Your iPhone is now updated and ready to use with the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.